Hey, how's it going everyone? I'm Nate Savage and I want to show you why repetition is one of the keys to playing great solos, particularly great blues solos. Now, have you ever tried playing a blues solo and have it end up sounding like this? Now that's a bit of an exaggeration, but noodling up and down the scale like that doesn't give a solo any continuity, melody, or theme to work with. Something like this, even though it's a little bit simpler, gives the listener something to latch onto and it gives your solo a theme. So just repeating something like during the first 4 bars of a blues solo can really help. Something like this. 1, 2, 3. Super simple example, but like in those first 4 bars, I did that. And then kind of restate that thing again and change it up a little bit on the end. And then when you had the 4 to 5 change that came later, I did something like this. And that's another example of repetition. I'm playing the same lick over the chord changes, just like the root note of the 5 chord. Then move to the root note of the 4 chord and repeat that same rhythmical idea with kind of those same notes, only over the 4 chord. And then just kind of noodle around the blues scale then. But the more you bring repetition in as far as little themes or melodies into your solos, the better it's going to make them sound. And the more you practice this, the better you're going to get at it too. So start very simple, use the jam track we have here for you with the 12-bar blues progression in A and see what you can come up with.